Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today lecture is to carry out thermal simulations of a cylinder in order to evaluate temperature distribution by applying convection as well as conduction boundary conditions. So let's start our simulation study now. So first of all, change units into inch, then make a sketch on the front plane. We will draw a cylinder whose inner radius is 5 inch and outer radius is 10 inch. Assign dimensions to inner radius, that is 5 mean 10 inch in diameter, and outer diameter of the cylinder is 20. Now exit from sketch and make a simple extrude. Length of extrusion is about 5 inch. Okay. Now start our simulation study. Go to simulation tab and click on the new study. And from the advanced simulation, select the thermal and also use 2D simplifications. Okay. So define the section plane, that is here, and the length of the part is 0.5 inch, and this is the depth of the 2D section. This is, and study type is simple extruded, not axisymmetric. Bring front view normal to U. After that, first of all, assign the material, that is alloy steel, and we will apply our temperature boundary conditions that the inner surface or face of cylinder is at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So go to the thermal loads and select the temperature, select this edge and change units to Fahrenheit. Enter the value 75 degree Fahrenheit. And in the next step, you will define the convection boundary conditions at outer surface. So again, go to the thermal loads, select convections, select outer edge of this cylinder and change units to inch pound second IPS, and convection coefficient is 2 EQ minus 4, whereas the temperature at outside the cylinder is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So main aim is to check to the final outer temperature on this outer surface. Now go to the mesh, create mesh, and from the mesh parameter select curvature based mesh and reduce the element size to 0.3 inch. Okay, so mesh is being generated now. Now run your study. So this is the temperature distribution results. Go to edit definition and change units to degree Fahrenheit. And use probe to see the maximum temperature at outside. So use probe and click at outer edge. So the maximum temperature at outer surface of cylinder is 51.3 Fahrenheit. As you remember that initially this surface was at 40 degree Fahrenheit. So temperature of outer surface of this cylinder has increased from 40 degree Fahrenheit to 51.4 degree Fahrenheit due to the conductions between this wall of the cylinder as well as due to the convection between the surrounding and outer surface of the cylinder.